Oops! This is not in Japan! Dito lang naman ito sa Gala Food Park, located at upper ground floor, Hongji Garden, Pasay City. Malapit lang ito sa Mall of Asia, sa likod lang ng Double Dragon. They are open Monday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. every day. They also have coffee shop and seafood restaurant. Dito sa food park, free entrance fee, free wifi, and fully air-conditioned na din sila. Bawat sulok nga sa lugar na to ay talaga namang Instagrammable. Marami din ditong choices ng pagkain, may Taiwanese, Japanese, at iba pa. Nagutom ako kakaikot, kaya nag-order na rin ako ng pad thai. May 350 pesos, good for 2 na to. Sakto lang yung texture at hindi siya overcook. After ko kumain, I checked the rooftop garden. We also have Japanese theme, and this time, dito naman tayo sa outdoor garden. Avail nyo pala itong roof deck kapag meron kayong VIP card. Pinakamura nilang VIP card is 1,000 pesos, pero consumable naman ito sa food. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito sa taas. Yung feel mo na hindi mo na kailangan gumastos ng malaki para ma-feel mo yung Japan vibes. Wow! Thank you for watching. Bye!